Hey guys, by the way, this is Cameron Diaz behind me. I paint. So that's one of my paintings with a big bright light in front of it. Anyway, I figured that was a better backdrop than the bathroom door. So, let's see. How can I get it to where this mic can... Well, it's supposed to go like this. It should be on a boom. I'm going to put it on a boom.
You shouldn't howl, but I can't hear a word you say. You're talking loud, not saying much. Listen, but all your bullets ricochet. You tear me down, but I get up. Nothing to lose. Fly away, ricochet, you take your aim. Fly away, you shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. I am titanium. But you asked further to fall, and goes down into the dusk. Criticize, but I can't hear a word you say. You're talking loud, not saying much. I'm bulletproof, nothing to lose. Fire away, ricochet, you take your aim. Fire away. You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium.